Bananas are the world's most popular fruit. They are grown in over 135 countries and are consumed by millions of people every day. Bananas are actually berries. Unlike other fruits like strawberries or blueberries that have seeds on the outside, bananas have seeds on the inside, which classifies them as berries. Bananas were first domesticated in Southeast Asia over 7,000 years ago. They were spread to Africa, the Middle East and eventually the Americas by traders and explorers. Bananas are an excellent source of nutrition. They are high in fiber, vitamin C, vitamin B6, and potassium. They also contain small amounts of other important nutrients like magnesium, vitamin A, and iron. The yellow color of bananas is actually a sign of ripeness. As bananas ripen, they produce a gas called ethylene, which causes the chlorophyll in the skin to break down and reveal the yellow color underneath. Bananas can help you feel full and satisfied. They are low in calories and high in fiber, which makes them a great snack for weight management. Bananas can be used for more than just eating. The inside of a banana peel can be used to soothe bug bites and relieve itching. It can also be used as a natural teeth whitener and shoe polisher. There are over 1,000 different varieties of bananas, but most of the bananas sold in grocery stores are from just one variety called the Cavendish. Bananas are one of the most affordable fruits. They are usually sold by the pound and can be purchased for just a few cents per banana. The world's largest exporter of bananas is Ecuador. The country exports over 15 million tons of bananas every year, which is more than any other country in the world. Bananas can help boost your mood. They contain a substance called tryptophan, which is converted by the body into serotonin, a neurotransmitter that helps regulate mood. Bananas were once a luxury item. In the 1800s, they were considered a rare delicacy and were only available to the wealthy. It wasn't until the 1900s that bananas became widely available and affordable. Bananas are the perfect pre-workout snack. They are high in carbohydrates, which provide energy, and potassium, which helps prevent muscle cramps. Bananas are not just for humans. They are also a popular food for many animals, including monkeys, elephants, and even bats. The banana plant is not a tree, but a herb. It is the largest herbaceous flowering plant in the world, and its trunk is actually a collection of tightly packed leaves. Bananas are an important crop for many countries. In some regions, they are a major source of income and employment. In fact, bananas are the fourth most important crop in the world after wheat, rice, and corn. The banana industry has a dark past. In the early 1900s, United Fruit Company, now known as Chiquita Brands International, controlled much of the banana trade in Central and South America. The company had a reputation for exploiting workers and influencing politics in the region. Bananas can be used to make beer. There are several types of beer made from bananas, including banana bread beer, which is brewed using real bananas and has a distinct banana flavor. Bananas are not grown from seeds. Instead, they are propagated from offshoots or suckers that grow from the base of the parent plant. The phrase, "going bananas," is a real medical condition. It is called bananaphobia, and it is a fear of bananas. It is a rare phobia, but those who suffer from it can experience anxiety, panic attacks, and other symptoms when exposed to bananas. Bananas are not only good for eating, but they can also be used for beauty treatments. The potassium and vitamin C in bananas can help to soften and brighten skin, while the amino acids can strengthen hair. The banana industry faces a major threat from a disease called Panama disease. The disease is caused by a fungus and can wipe out entire banana plantations. It has already devastated the Cavendish variety in some regions. Bananas are a symbol of peace. During the Cold War, a popular way to protest nuclear weapons was to hold a banana in one hand and a peace sign in the other. Bananas are a popular ingredient in smoothies and desserts. Some popular recipes include banana bread, banana pudding, and banana splits. Bananas are not just yellow. There are also red, purple, and even blue bananas. However, these varieties are not as widely available as the yellow ones. Bananas can help to reduce the risk of heart disease. The fiber, potassium, vitamin C, and vitamin B6 in bananas can help to lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Bananas are one of the few fruits that can be eaten even when they are not fully ripe. Green bananas are often used in savory dishes like stews and curries. Bananas are a good source of antioxidants. Antioxidants help to protect the body against damage from harmful molecules called free radicals. Bananas were one of the first fruits to be frozen and used in smoothies. The first smoothie machine was invented in the 1930s, and bananas were one of the most popular ingredients. Bananas are an important cultural symbol. They are often used in art, literature, and music to represent themes like love, life, and growth.